So if that becomes active, the tinnitus is off.
Okay.
And vice versa. So what we can do is work trying to have the client imagine that switch, but that doesn't work for everyone.
No. Okay. So let's say, because you're a specialist in this and you do an awful lot of work with this, let's say we have a client who comes with tinnitus, right? Firstly, what is the typical client for tinnitus?
Hmm. As I said, there is no typical client.
Okay.
There's lots of different ones. There's some that are just slightly bothered and, they're just annoyed by the noise. Then others who really have a lot of anxiety around it and who can't sleep. And if they're really, really, really anxious and you can't even work with them, to reduce the anxiety, that would be normally the first